So, hello everybody, welcome to Pacific Rim US Scrum. Today here it's with us Amy, Patrick, Salim, Vijay, and me. So, Amy.
Yes.
What have you been doing since the last time we talked?
Since the last time. So we had a pair programming session this morning, and we were devising some stories. And I took over the homepage design, and I'm working on the nav bar. And I had a question about the nav bar, whether home is redundant or not. And also I did some research on login pages and how that's done on the major sites and took screenshots of that, and I have some feedback about that, which I'll talk about in the parking lot.
Okay.
I have one blocker in that I took down my environment and put it back up in order to resolve some problems I was having last week. I have a error now when I create a new user. And I was trying to replace it when we reproduce it when we started.
Okay. Can you reproduce it now?
I should be able to do it by the parking lot time.
Okay. Okay. So, anything else that you'd like to add?
Nope.
Nope. So, Patrick.
Yeah, so we did have a pair programming session this afternoon, Eastern time, and that was good. We went through a few things. We went through some waffle issues that hadn't had points assigned, even ones that had already been completed, so we made sure we had points assigned completed and in progress issues, which we're going to have to continue to do as a team. Maybe when it's in the review column or ready column or something. I also got a first pass done of the admin page, the starting page. I had that review with the team on the pair programming session today. Got a few comments, but overall it seems to be okay. So I'm moving forward with that. I've got a few more diagrams to add to that, like a couple of pages you go to from the admin page to do tasks and things. And then I'll be done with that. And then I will proceed with probably speccing out some RSpec tests, some of the unit level testing behind the functionality represented by the UI pages, while we're waiting for Chet's review of the UI itself.
Okay.
And no blockers?
Okay. Salim.
Oh, okay. I think I finished my the bug fix. I did submit my PR. I guess the title wasn't right. Hopefully I already fixed it, and then I did a new PR. And then while I was doing the bug, I found another bug. When you update, it will let you actually save because of the strong parameter. I guess the device, they have a separate, so we have to send for the update separate, and then for new when you create a new separate. So I created a waffle for that. I didn't want to do it together. I created a waffle for that, and then what else? That's it, I guess. And then I worked on homework. I started on homework 2, the intro to Rail, this morning. So that's all for me, what I have done since then.
Okay. Any blocker?
No. Nope.
Okay, so I'm just going to put on the chat the version, the naming convention for the the naming convention for the PRs. Okay, so they are automatically tracked into Waffle. They need to look like that, or if it's something that does not close, do not close the issue and just is related to. So it should be something like that. I'm not sure if it's related or relates with an S, but It's something like that. Okay.
Okay.
If you do it, because if you do it like that, it's much easier to move into waffle and to see, okay, this task needs to be reviewed. This task doesn't need to be reviewed, and everything.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Vijaya.
I attended the pair programming today with the team, and I fetched the latest updates into my development, and I'm running the Rails server, and I got the error pending migration exception, and I ran the command regdb migrate, but it's not resolved it. And I worked on my can integration. I add all the functions to the user module, and I add the role into the database based on the role work I'm thinking. I did
So you're having problems with the database?
Yeah.
Just move the file and just create a new one.
Which one?
Basically, currently, everything is in SQLite, and the database is in here. If I'm not mistaken, developments.rb.
Okay.
That file, you can try to drop. If it gives an error, you just move the file with that path. You just move it to another place and do a db create and a db migrate, and it will come up.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, that is.
And Walker? Despite this one? Nope.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one.
So, me. Nothing. I just saw yesterday. We meet a little bit during the last Scrum. We just went through and just did something more. We looked into Cuckoo, into some possible designs with me and Patrick yesterday. And basically that was it. I didn't do much today. And blockers for me, no, there are no blockers. So, anyone want to add anything?
I need someone to send me application.example.yml.
Amy, that's in Git. You should have it in your local environment.
The example there should be there.
It's not.
It's not? Can you do a Git checkout? Are you in master or are you in dev?
I created a new branch.
To answer your question about the master, no, I still had no time to merge everything up, so master is still the previous version.
Okay.
I will do it now or during today. Check out if you didn't branch from master. Just make sure you didn't branch from master, because the master is the previous version. It doesn't have a lot of things.
Ah, okay. Sure, no worries.
Okay. Anything else? Nope.
Yes. The navigation questions from the parking lot.
No. Let's do it like this. I'm going to close this down. I'm going to recreate the pair. I'm going to do a pair program session, and I've got like half an hour. I'll answer your questions there, and we'll try to go through all our waffle issues, try to give them points, and start the sprint. Okay?
Okay.
It's okay? So, Thank you guys, and I'll create the session just right now. Thank you.